When it comes to Subaru, different consumer groups have different views. In the eyes of most users, Subaru has labels such as ugly, low-cost performance, and high maintenance costs. In the eyes of car enthusiasts, Subaru, which advocates extreme control, makes people excited, whether it is a horizontally opposed engine or a symmetrical full-time four-wheel drive system. Subaru Crosstrek is the successor to Subaru. Some off-road elements have been added. What is surprising is that the underbody of the car is equipped with thick plastic parts all around, including the sides of the front face and other parts that are prone to scratches. When driving outdoors in the open air, small scratches will inevitably occur, and they are difficult to repair. When viewed from the side of the body, the outline of Subaru Crosstrek Xubao has basically remained unchanged. The specific length, width and height are 4,495 by 1,800 by 1,600 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,670 mm. The relatively compact body allows user control. In addition, the upper model of the vehicle is equipped with 18-inch wheels at the bottom, and the tire specification is 225/55 R18. The interior design still follows the traditional route, focusing on practicality and simplicity. The center console of the car has a pointer indicator, and contrary to the current trend, there are more physical buttons. However, the vertical 11.6-inch large central control screen is really better than the old model. In addition, the vehicle's system is upgraded, and the X-Mode and air conditioning system are integrated into the screen, and it also has mobile phone interconnection functions such as Apple CarPlay and Baidu CarLife. As a brand that puts driving control first, Subaru Crosstrek treats all models equally. The entry-level model is also equipped with a 2.5L horizontally opposed engine and four-wheel drive system. The four-wheel drive system has an increased engine volume compared to the Subaru 15, with a maximum output of 124 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 252 Nm. In terms of transmission system, this model is equipped with a simulated 8-speed continuously variable CVT transmission. Due to the use of chain transmission, it has certain advantages in terms of durability and acceleration experience compared to the traditional CVT. Thanks to the low center of gravity of the horizontally opposed engine and the corresponding full-time four-wheel drive system, the road holding of the Subaru Crosstrek is really excellent. In actual driving, the performance of the front of the car is relatively flexible, the steering wheel is sensitively steered, and the cornering limit is high. When you need intense extreme driving, it can bring you enough fun.